Okay, so we're here on this job today to basically remove all this brush that's out of here. I'm going to mow that down, and once we mow all that down, we're going to come up here and put in a fence for him. So they're now marking the posts where the fence line is going to be, and we got a little problem here because it's really close, so they're going to hand dig this pole, and then we'll just use the post hole digger for the rest of everything. Okay, so let's get mowing.
Okay, now when we get ready to fire this up, I can control the direction. I can control whether it's spinning to the left or to the right. So I'm going to start it up to the left-hand side so that I'm not throwing stuff out into the road of oncoming cars or over into the neighbor's area where he's got a bus and things like that. It's also really important that you go through all that brush ahead of time, because this unit can actually chew up to 3 to 4 inch trees. If there's any big blocks in there, it's going to either throw them or chew them up, and you really don't want to ruin your machine if you're got any waste in there that's in the way. And other than that, most of it's pretty straightforward. As you can see, I just kicked a block there, a block of wood up. And I think you're going to see here in a second where I think there's a tarp in there someplace that I missed. Yeah, there's a tarp that I hit. So it's really important that you make sure you go through all your brush ahead of time, especially with a unit like SkidPro equipment. They're very powerful, very handy. But if you're not careful, you can damage your equipment or any of the surrounding area as well. Okay, I've been using a SkidPro 72-inch brush cutter running on a John Deere 323E with tracks, and I'll leave a link to this product in the description below. Okay, because we were real close to the customer site, we went and picked up our 6-inch post hole digger. And when you're setting up your post hole marks, it's important to do everything around 10 foot on center. Now, sometimes if you hit some rocks, it might not be perfectly 10 feet, but if you're plus or minus a couple inches, you're okay. We have 4 foot high fence line, and the poles are 7 foot in length, so we're going to have a 2 foot pole. We can use the post hole digger itself to help clean out the hole, and we also use sackcrete at the bottom of each one of the holes after we set the pipe. So we set the pipe in there, adjust our 4 foot height, drive it down a little bit if we need to, and then put the sackcrete around it, and the natural water will cause the sackcrete to hard up for us. That's pretty much the first hole. We'll clean that a little bit more here in just a couple seconds.
Okay, so there we have it. Got the fence in. The customer is going to actually do the chain link part himself, but things look fairly straight, which is good. Now we're off to the next project.
And help us out with a like and subscribe. Have a great day.